Hey, Dustin Tibbetts with Passport to Wall Street, and today I want to talk about the confirmation that volume gives you. And it's unfortunate that a lot of us put our volume metrics sort of in the background of a chart. I'm guilty of it too, but we really want to use the trading volume as confirmation of a move. So recently we talked about telling the story as a stock tells you a story about the move that it's going to make or is currently making, and we want to use volume to confirm that. So I want to give you a few examples today and help sort of show when volume confirms a strong move or a weak move, and then when volume sort of doesn't follow along, when you should be suspect of these strong moves. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the charts here. First on the screen, we've got HCA, sorry, this is a healthcare company, and what we're looking at is this particular move right here. We go back to the day that they reported earnings. This will be July 25th of this year. And we see this monster move, this breakout. Now we know one candlestick doesn't tell us everything. It might tell us a lot, but it doesn't tell us everything. And so to understand the full story, we're going to go back and take a look at all of what's happened. Well, in this case, the stock broke out, and that attracted a lot of attention, rightfully so. Well, in this particular example, look down here at the bottom. See how the volume was much higher than average, way higher than average to be exact. And so what happens is the volume is what people use to confirm that that move is going to continue. We've attracted a lot of investors. Very likely we will attract more. And so because of the big move with big volume, that attracts people towards that trade. It was a great trade. Now let's look at something else here. Let's say you go, okay, well, I'll look for a big candlestick with big volume then. Well, along the way, here's a big candlestick, but notice the volume's just not there. Look at the difference between what happens when volume is included with the big move here on the June 18th and when volume is not. There is no volume above average in this move. Now, granted, it was a very strong move for the day. It certainly would grab some attention, but because there's no trading of volume, we know it didn't attract the masses. It wasn't on the news. There were no headlines. There were no news articles. There were no major trades being made by big firms. And so because of that, look what happened over the next few weeks. Not much of anything at all. Again, because down here, if we follow it all the way down, there's just no exciting trading volume. So I want you guys to use trading volume, especially over the summer, as your guide to trading a particular stock. Now, over the summer, volume is actually it stands out like a sore thumb because overall trading volume is low. And so when somebody gets excited about a stock or there's some news event, that volume sticks out like a real big stick on the charts over the summer, and you should be able to spot it. So want to use volume as your confirmation for the trades that you are considering on those big moves. I hope this helps. I hope you make a profit, and we'll talk to you soon.